have several things here outlined so far, but I'm going to now work on this orange pasta thing. So I'm going to need to zoom in here, and what I need to do is make sure that I kind of outline a lot of the value shapes that I'm seeing. As on the apple, so there's some value shapes there. So for this pasta spoon, I'm going to try to get through the outline of this first. So it's going to require zooming in, kind of seeing where I am, even though I can adjust all the points afterwards. Here we go. Click and drag, click and drag. Not drag, I needed that to change directions right there, so I didn't click and drag at that same time. Point, and sometimes I don't like to use both hands, so I just come to that point and just click and don't drag. So I can switch directions, but I have to use my other hand to move that around. I'm using the space bar. And so I don't go into here yet. Now I can go all the way over here because I know that's a straight line, and turn the corner and meet the first point. I'm not quite done here. I'm going to need to have this be cut out later, or actually can't see through that right yet. Whoops. I am going to make some arrangements for this to be in there somehow. So this is a darker shape, so I'm just kind of outlining it, and I don't need to be too exact. I want to define some areas. So right now, I guess what I'm doing is outlining the inside of this, which may or may not correlate to the value shapes that I'm seeing. But I know I'm going to need this anyway. So that's the inside. I'm going to need these holes. And they are, I know they're round when I look straight on at this, but I'm perspective is at work here, and it distorts things, so I've got to take that into consideration. So I'm going to also have probably something like a shape like this for to get that a little bit darker. And then there will be some of these darker shapes, but that's going to be enough to begin with to let me know that there's more work to be done with this.